Hello my lovely friends, welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful love scrapbook or scrapbook for Valentine's Day. So I will share all the details, how to create the base, how to decorate this, how to add hinges, pages, everything in detail. And also I will share how to decorate your scrapbook with your handmade cards and how to enhance the beauty by adding some small embellishments with only the colored pens and sketch pens. Isn't it looking beautiful? So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I'm taking this 15 by 30 centimeter pattern paper and taking one more piece which is 15 by 6 centimeters. So I'm going to join both the pieces together, and in total we need 35 by 15 centimeter sheet. So on the 1 centimeter marking I am adding glue here and sticking both the cardstocks together. And the base is ready. Now from left side I have creased at 15 centimeters and 20 centimeters. Just folding the creases. And it should look like this. Then here I am taking one ribbon to create the closure for the scrapbook, and to cover this part I am taking one more piece of pink color cardstock which is 15 by 15 centimeters. In the same way I have already added the ribbon and cardstock on another side. And on outer side I am adding one pink color cardstock which is 15 by 5 centimeters. So this is done. Then taking one cardstock piece which is 7 by 14 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 1, 2, 5 and 6 centimeters. Just folding all the creases and burnishing it. Here I am making the hinge to add pages. Now we just need to connect the outer flaps by folding it inner side, and just to make our hinge more sturdy and strong. So doing it on both the sides. And after folding these flaps, the bigger size hinge should look like this. Now I am making one small size hinge, for which I am taking one more cardstock which measures 5 by 14 centimeters, and I have creased at 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters. Again I am folding the outer flaps inward and sticking it with glue. So the inner hinge is also ready and it will come inside the bigger one. Now taking back the scrapbook base, and first I am adding the big size hinge exactly in the center part. And then on top of this I am adding the small size hinge. And hinges are attached nicely. Now we can add 4 pages to this. Then to make page, here I am taking this sheet which is 28 by 14 centimeters. I am just folding it from center. Then adding glue only in the bottom by leaving little gap so that we can stick it with the hinge nicely. So the pocket is ready. It's open from top, and similarly we need 4 pockets or 4 pages. Then taking one of the page, open part will be on top and the closed part will be in the bottom. Add glue on one of the hinge and starting from right side and just passing the hinge through both the sides of the page like this. Stick it nicely. And the page is attached. Now taking the another one and sticking with the second hinge. Similarly, I am going to attach the remaining 2 more pages. Then on left side I am adding 14 by 14 centimeter pattern paper. And also I have attached all the remaining pages and decorated the right side panel as well using pattern paper. Now here I am taking this 12 by 14 centimeters to add the flap inside pocket. Taking one piece of red color heart, sticking exactly in the center, and for the finishing I am adding one more heart on back side. Just align both the hearts on top of each other, and with the same measurements I have prepared 3 more pages. So in total we need 4 pages. Now taking back my scrapbook, and inside each flap I am just going to insert these pages. So on these pages you can write some extra messages or you can paste photographs, whatever way you want to decorate. Then I'll start adding all my handmade cards on these pages to decorate the scrapbook. I have already shown in my previous video how to make these 10 different styles of card for Valentine's Day, or you can also use this as a anniversary gift. And if you haven't seen yet that video, I have given the link in description box, you can check there. So I am decorating each and every page using these handmade cards. And the decoration is done. Then to add some more embellishment on each page, I am just making some small patterns using colored sketch pens. Basically I am using these normal sketch pens in pink, red, black and sometimes in white color, and just writing the sentiments using brush pens. So here I am writing the message, being with you is my favorite feeling, and also adding some small hearts here and there. And the beautiful page decoration is ready. Similarly, I am going to decorate the remaining pages in a simple manner. So here I have decorated another page by adding XOXO border, and I have written the sentiment, you are so cute. On next page, I have just added some swirly design in both the corners, and the swirls are ending with hearts. On this side I have decorated the borders using the pink sketch pen. Then on next page I have just added some borders, some hearts, and message, my love for you is always high. Then on this side I have added some more border designs. These are hangings, heart hangings design. So cute, isn't it? Using red and pink sketch pen. Then here I have written the sentiment, you are my happily ever after, and decorated the corner using bunch of hearts using red sketch pen. Then here I have added some big size heart filled with some vertical lines and horizontal lines, and also added some black hearts to contrast the color combination. Then on this page I have written the message, my heart beats only for you, and some heart emojis. And on the last page I have added the heart arrow along with these cute small smileys which are made using black marker. So in this way I have kept the decoration part in simple manner yet beautiful, and we don't need to add so much die cutouts or borders or stickers. You can keep it as it is, and if you want to add anything extra you can do it as per your choice. Now it's time to decorate the front. So here I am taking 14 by 14 centimeters pattern paper and sticking it exactly on the top. Then here I have prepared the heart shape using red cardstock, which I am sticking exactly in the center. Then to decorate the heart, I am taking here half strip of red color in 5 mm and making one loose coil. Similarly, I have prepared some more loose coils already. Now on the border of the heart, I am going to attach these loose coils. And this is done. It's looking very, very gorgeous, isn't it? Now I'll show you how to make the love birds using paper quilling strip. For this I'm taking 2 strips of white color in 3 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. Here I'm making the body of the bird like this. Then taking one white color cardstock and sticking this teardrop on the white cardstock just to give white base. Then to create the tail, I am taking half strip of white color in 3 mm and making one arrow shape like this. Then to make wings, I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape or bended teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So taking back the teardrop, big one, and cutting the excess paper around this. And with the same method I have created one more set of shapes for another bird like this. So all the shapes are ready and it's time to decorate the heart from inside using these cute lovebirds. You can use colored paper as well to create the birds, but on the red background white color looks more nice, so that's why I'm using white strips here. And this is done. Now I'm adding the beak, which is made using 1/8 strip of yellow color. This is simple arrow shape, just like the tail. Adding 2 black dots for eyes. And the super cute lovebirds are ready. Then I'm decorating the top and the bottom using this beautiful border design. Randomly sticking some hearts. Also adding some small pink color hearts here and there. And also I have stuck some silver color stone just to add little glimmer or glitter to the front page. And the super gorgeous scrapbook for the Valentine's Day or anniversary is ready, and in this way you can make your own scrapbook with the handmade cards and the handmade decoration in different colors. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.